get tons. This one is like very big. Whatever.
They save a life.
Yeah, they say, well, I read the one. No, let me do this one. Is it fine? Yeah, it's good. We're good. We're gonna pop this one. Oh yeah, it's fine.
Hi.
Hello. We're blowing up big balloons.
Wow. That's what you do. I like the blood with that.
Oh my gosh. Okay, this is good. Now just start blowing it up. Might be a long time, guys. My ears are ringing. Doesn't seem like they can. Yeah. I'm gonna blow you up to the next location. Keep going. Yana. Wait, we should put a spirit.
Okay, just like keep doing it.
It wasn't?
But yeah, that's like you can't do that. You're gonna get in trouble. I think it's just the door.
Alright guys, let's tackle that. The Taco Bells. It's coming up the wrong way. Justin Bieber. That hurt.
Girl, where are the scraps?
We got it. Bye. Well, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm probably going to get hunted down by an old man tonight. Oh, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out and see you in the next one. Goodbye.